J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, with another day and another video for you guys, man. We have had the privilege and honor of working on many great cars in the DFW area, man, and from across the nation. We've had cars here from North Carolina, from Virginia, from Florida, from California, Arizona, North Dakota, South Dakota. We've had cars come to us from Kansas, from Memphis, man, God has truthfully blessed us, man. But we have another guy here today. Y'all know him on Instagram. He goes under the name of Hellgotti. He runs SRT Life over here in DFW, man, chapter. He's a great guy. I met him back, actually. I knew him because I followed him for a while on Instagram, but I got the privilege of meeting him and Doo-Wop over there in Memphis. We went for the Memphis track. From that day, we kind of stayed in contact. Our REELTOREAL is also part of this car group. My wife, Mrs. Audio Cat, is also part of SRT Life, and I'm just dying to get in, man, because it's a great culture, man. At that time when we were going to initiate my car was in the process of getting done by Jackfab over there in I forgot what part of Texas, it's 1 hour away, getting the build done. But I got my Audio Cat back. I'm waiting for something to come in so I can do the proper initiation to the group, man. But it's a great organization. It's a great car culture. They're pretty much everywhere in DFW. They do great things, man. So in reality, it's been a privilege and honor. But he is in the building today, man, with his beautiful, beautiful car. If you haven't followed him, I'm going to show you his Instagram. Tag him over there, man. He is a great, cool guy, man. Really down to earth, very humble guy, man. It's been a privilege and honor. Hellgotti up in the building. What you want to tell the people on the camera today?
Man, check out my boy Audio Cat. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe to the YouTube, follow my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube.
That's right.
Hellgotti_TV.
And then the other thing, we actually had that interview with that cop, remember?
Oh yeah.
That video did really well for me, man. We did a lot of fun. But walk us through your car and show us what you've done to your car and what we're gonna be doing to your car today, man. So this is Hellgotti, boy. It is a reflective white, crazy, beautiful, on the Corleone Ford. You know there's nothing else and nothing less in this car, but it's truthfully a unique Charger Hellcat, and he is the president of the SRT Life here in the DFW area, man. This car is absolutely gorgeous, different, way too beautiful for most people, man. It's very creative, man, and this is your car. How long you've owned this car?
3 years, I know.
3 years you've done own this, and you love it so far.
Oh yeah, I do.
That's your baby, man. I feel you, man. So today we're gonna be getting this car and adding a Flow Series Underglow, because we went to a car meet one time, and long story short, when we were out there, I said, man, we're missing some lights in this car. He's I guess a little skeptical, you can say, about doing things to the car, but I'm gonna earn his trust today, guys. I'm gonna get him an Underglow Flow Series in his car, get it installed, make him very happy. Hopefully we get some more business from him. Get to do the DLRs and all the other stuff that I want to do to this car, just because the car is really a unique car. He's out there on IG all the time. He's going across the nation, always doing all this thing with SRT Life, and I want to have the privilege of doing this car from head to toe. So Hellgotti, you're about to leave me your baby. You are not going to see her for the next 3 to 4 hours. How you feeling?
I'm kind of nervous, man.
Now, Gordo, make sure you put a lot of extra scratches. Make sure you mess up the wrap, and make sure you bend the wheels and pop the tires in the process. No, we're just gonna, it's on YouTube, so if it happens, they'll just get the money from his YouTube channel. What you think? Now this is his car, man. We're about to get her going. Gordo's about to knock out the Underglow in this car from head to toe. And like I said, hopefully we get to earn the business of doing other things in this car, because in reality, I want to do.
I don't trust a lot of people with my car, but I'm leaving it in good hands.
You're leaving it in good hands. I promise you we won't do no extra donuts or no burnouts that you won't authorize. What do y'all think, YouTube? We ain't gonna do nothing to your car.
Yeah.
Well, she's about to get dropped off, y'all. Let me walk you through the car so you can see her from head to toe. She got the Corleone with the Hellgotti right there on it, as you can tell. Custom, really beautiful reflective. You see that white? You guys see how that's hitting over there? This is his car, as this is his Instagram, Hellgotti. This is SRT Life DFW. We're about to get this car and wrap it out. Walk inside and get this car situated with my guys here. We're doing our thing. We got a great customer came in here, man. He has a 06 F350. Pickup truck, and he's also been worried because the fact that there's been a lot of theft in DFW, and he doesn't want to lose his baby. That's correct?
That is correct.
So we're guaranteed. Say your name for the camera, sir.
Bill Price.
Bill Price, man. You see what I'm saying? And he's actually a cool guy. He came here about maybe 4 or 5 days ago. We spoke about it, and today we're gonna do his build on his truck. And then we got this guy here. Who is this guy? Listen, Bill, who is this guy coming in here, man? Like, I walk into my shop and I see this guy here. I mean, the only thing he has on it, he's got a nice sweater on because it promotes the channel. But why are you in front of the store here, man? What you doing?
Man, it's all about
Can't even think right? It's a Monday? Too much fallopian tubes on Sunday?
No. I ain't getting man. They were a little bloody. Anyway, so.
No, this guy's stupid, man. But what are you doing in front of the shop here, man?
I think I bring a lot of customers to the store, man. I think it's all about having somebody attractive standing right here.
Attractive. Bill, do you find him attractive?
Anyway, having somebody.
Yo, I gotta look at the thing. When Bill came in a minute ago, he was talking. I get a little worried because Bill probably not used to dealing with a guy like you in front of the shop. But we're a YouTube store, we have fun and game. But people. Tony came out a little aggressive to him, like, hey, and I'm like, yo, I gotta stand here. Like, wait a minute, what's gonna go on? Bill might get offended. So I mean, what are you doing here, Tony?
Man, you know what? Me personally, man, like I just run the numbers. I'll make sure that everything is clear at the end of the day. You know. It might be short about a couple $100.
Yeah, right. Oh hell no.
You know,
let me tell y'all something, man. Let me give y'all something, YouTube. If my numbers ever came out a little under, and I would ever find out, hold on, you're messing my camera, find out something crazy, I would be in the news because I will murder him. Because if I put you in because I trust you, and if you break that trust, it's just straight up murder, man. So
Fox 4 News coming to you live. Audiozone DFW.
All right, I'm gonna let him go. Yeah, I'll be back with y'all in a minute. We do these builds. So give you guys an update of what's going on today here in the shop, man. We got Hellgotti's car being worked on. We got a beautiful 2020 Chevrolet Silverado coming in, man. We're doing something really nice for this car. It's gonna be a custom built box with a port in the middle, 2 JL audios, 8-inch subwoofer W7s that are gonna be going in. You can see right there. We're gonna be doing the 4 speakers inside the doors. They're gonna be Polk audio. We're doing a 4-channel and a monoblock with the battery on this bad boy on the stock head unit. This is a build that the customer has been a customer of mine for many, many years. Decided to come by and give us a shot to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and handle this, and I'm gonna give you a post when we get done with this, y'all. Point in time, your car is sitting here in front of the store.
Yes, it is.
Done. Now we're gonna have this question for you. That now you got the app. You got the app on your phone.
Oh yeah.
Do you think you know how to use it yet?
Not yet. That's why I came to you.
That's what we said. We're gonna get you taught up right now. Hold on. Have the app on your phone. They told you to download it. Let's go and see what it is. What you gonna do now is you're gonna come here. Guys, I'll be back with y'all in a minute. As y'all see, we got victory. We got the Flow series underneath the car all the way around. The 360 kit. I mean, he has the back, he has the side, he has the driver's side, which can be hard to see right now with the sunlight there, but you can temporarily see it there. And he also has the front series right there too, which I don't know if y'all can see it, but y'all can kind of see the glow going on. So Hellgotti's ready to go sign, seal, deliver, man, and we're proud that we were able to do this car for him today and get him going. I know it can be a process of time that he gets used to it, but on that app, man, you're able to do a lot of things. You can do single colors, you can do multicolors, and you can change all these different modes. You can turn the unit off. She's not married to your phone, man. She don't like iPhones. MLC01. Car done, man. We are proud and privileged to be able to see it. What do you have to say today, man?
Shit, like Christmas all over here.
He's got his car, man, so we're glad we're gonna get him signed, sealed, delivered, man, and want to always thank you guys for watching this video. Always thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving us, man. But Hellgotti can be signed, sealed, and delivered and ready to go. We're glad that we got to do his car. We're part of the SRT life ourselves. Just waiting for something to get done so I can get initiated, but I want to be initiated right on my pictures and my photographs. We got something special for y'all when y'all see the AudioCat coming soon, man. But, you know, we're going to go have fun with it. It could be one of the fastest cars, I'll tell you, in the SRT Life team. I can guarantee you that. But we're going to go have some fun with it, man. So SRT Life, Gotti,
We got set up.
you are good to go.
Everything, anybody needs something from the AudioCat.
Man, you know you signed, sealed, delivered, man. So this was done. We'll continue with the rest. So we are at the end of the day. I'm about to show you guys what we did here. We got the OEM radio with the CarPlay. We've added 2 JL audio, W7/8s, custom box. Everything really beautiful. Customer really happy. Just been a crazy day here. We got a secondary battery over here with the fuses. You see the back of your battery? This one's ready to go, guys. Customer loved it. We loved it, man. Everything beautiful to go. Want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscriptions, man. Y'all be good. God bless and peace.